Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to go to the settings. For that, right click here on the start icon and click on settings. And once we are here, we need to just click on these three lines and go to the apps section, then go for the Windows security app. So we need to find out, go to the install apps and just type here Windows security app. Click on these three lines and go to the advanced options. For now, we have to go to the reset section. Just click on repair and wait for some time, few seconds. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. So once done, and again, if this app still isn't working right, reset it, but the app's data will be deleted. So try this one also and wait for some time. And once done, close this window. Then in the last method, just go to search bar and type here task manager. Click here to open it, then click on run new task, then go to browse button, then go to this PC, C drive, Windows folder, then system 32 folder. So find out where it is. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. Then from here find out the cmd.exe file. Just keep scrolling down until you find this cmd file. Then select it and click on open. Now check this box, click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command and type this command carefully and hit enter to execute it. Type in dism space / online space / clean up - image space / scan health and hit enter. So this will take a few time to complete the process, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. And once done, simply type exit to close the command prompt window and restart the system. You can also check out our pin command to fix this issue quickly and effectively. It will help you more. That's it. Once done, restart the system and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.